Hello friends, welcome back to my tantalizing bites. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make Sichuan shrimp. Succulent shrimp coated in a gingery spicy hot sauce. Let's get started. I have thawed out 1.5 pounds of shrimp. My shrimp was already peeled and deveined. All I had to do was give it a quick wash, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a teaspoon each of red chili flakes, and coarse ground pepper. Be sure to use coarse ground pepper. It does make a difference in this dish. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt or to your own taste and mix everything together. Set it aside for about 15 to 30 minutes. Now we are going to julienne cut 1 inch of ginger, and thinly sliver about 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. We are going to julienne cut some green chilies. I am using serrano, but you can use side chilies or any kind you want. Thickly slice up 1 onion. My onion was pretty big, so I'm just using half. Now let's make the sauce. We are going to mix up a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce and sriracha. Next, we are going to add a teaspoon each of red chili flakes and coarsely ground black pepper. And like I've mentioned previously, please be sure to use coarse ground black pepper because it does make a difference in this dish. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt or to your own taste and 2 to 3 teaspoons of brown sugar. Next, we will be adding 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and 1/4 cup of sambal chili paste. Now we are going to take some warm water in a bowl, and we're going to soak up about 5 to 6 dried red whole chilies. Next, we are going to need a cup of all-purpose flour in which we will dredge our shrimp. You just want to coat each shrimp lightly in the flour and then just shake off the excess flour and set it aside. Once all the shrimp have been coated in the flour, we are going to fry these up. You are going to take 1 cup of oil, and on medium-high heat, you're going to fry these in an even layer. You only need to fry these for about 1.5 minutes on each side, and please do not overcook the shrimp, otherwise it will become tough and rubbery and definitely not as appetizing. You can definitely deep fry instead of shallow fry if you prefer. Once all of the shrimp is fried, we are going to remove most of the oil from the pan and just leave about 2 tablespoons in it. Add the ginger and garlic and saute it for just about 30 seconds on high heat. Next, add the onion and saute it for another 30 seconds. Now we are going to add the green chilies, and we're going to saute for another 30 seconds. Now add the dried red chilies that you had previously soaked, followed by the shrimp, and stir fry this for about 1 minute. Next, we are going to add the sauce and stir fry this for a couple of minutes until the sauce thickens up and coats the shrimp nicely. This smells and looks amazing, and just like that, it is ready to be served. You can garnish this with some chopped scallions, but I didn't have any, so I'm just using cilantro today, and I'm going to be serving this along with steamed white rice. You can serve it with brown rice or fried rice or even with noodles. I am done talking. I am just going to sit down and enjoy my plate of spicy hot, juicy Sichuan shrimp. Join me next time for another easy and delicious recipe. Bye for now.